Welcome back, Coastal Bend. Saharan dust. That is the story of the week. You can see that dust extending across the Atlantic Ocean, now impacting Texas and even Louisiana and up into the Arctic region. But overall, what this dust is doing is it's creating dry air across the Atlantic basin, which will work to suppress tropical activity. You can see that dust stretched across the Gulf of Mexico. That's a positive note. But some other things we may continue to notice are allergy-like symptoms. Technically, it's not an allergen, but it is an irritant, and we'll see more vibrant sunrises and sunsets with these hazy skies. Now, as we head into the weekend, that dust is kind of dispersed a little bit more across the region, and we may not notice it as much as we head into next week. And there is an area in the Gulf, or just outside of the Gulf, rather, down south of the Yucatan Peninsula and into Central America, right off the coast there, is where we are looking at a 20% chance of development over the next 5 days. But for now, that dust is impacting this region. So not a high-end chance for any development at this time. And then additionally, we have a 20% chance into the Pacific Ocean and a 90% chance of development, two separate areas. And the dust really isn't making it into this area. So there's a greater risk of that development. It's likely to move northwest as it develops slowly there off the southwest coast of Mexico. So that's an area we'll continue to keep an eye on. Right now, this is just somewhere to watch, not somewhere to worry about. So we'll continue to keep an eye on that and any development past the next 5 days. For now, on our Lex Cam, 6:44, we have some cloud coverage thanks to our humidity. We get those low clouds early in the morning, so not the best sunrise, but we're going to get some vibrant ones throughout the upcoming week. We'll be dealing with that dust all week long. 79 is your temperature right now at 6:44, and it already feels like it's 83 degrees out there. Wind is out of the south at 9 miles per hour, so we are breezy today. Your high will be 95 degrees, gust up to 35 miles per hour, heat index around 109. Overnight, increasing clouds, still rather warm, lows around 80 degrees there, 79 in Corpus Christi. We'll see a south-southeast wind 10 to 15 miles per hour. Your sunset 8:27, I believe. So be on the lookout for those sunsets being vibrant. Hazy conditions continue, hot conditions, fire danger also with these breezy winds. So we will have to keep an eye, especially into the brush country, for some fire danger risk today and into tomorrow. That risk lowers as our wind lowers just a tad by Wednesday. We are looking at a full moon on Tuesday, moderate to strong onshore flow. So some minor coastal flooding will be possible Tuesday, Wednesday, and into Thursday. High tide is in the morning, ranging between 6:01 by Tuesday and 8:06 a.m. there by Thursday. But whether you're heading to the coast or staying inland, we're looking at heat index value ranging from 100 at Port Aransas all the way through 109 in Corpus Christi, 107 into Alice. So it is still going to be a hot day here, and that heat will continue. Not quite as hot as the weekend. That's thanks in part to the Saharan dust. It's drier air. Also, it's reflecting some of that heat, that light, back out into the into space. So our temperatures are just a tad cooler this week, Barbie. Just a tad. It was 99 on Sunday. So that's your comparison note.